So it's a Kava pound.
It's fine.
Do you pound this again or no?
After no, just pound a little bit, then I'll pack it again.
So you do like this several times. So this is done.
Yeah, this is done. I have to finish this one, this big one.
Ah.
Yeah. I have to string that, bro. This is called waka.
Ah,
That's
okay.
the big root we call in Fiji waka.
How long does it take time to pound all this?
Yeah, put them out.
Ah. So you bring kava and then 1 kilogram to pound is
$3.50.
$3.50. But how much 1 kilogram worth if you sell the market?
Well, sometimes $50. Sometimes you get more than that,
Ah,
60 to 70. But depends.
yeah.
Depends on how the if the cover price goes up. But usually it comes to 50.
And do you have a kava farm
Yeah, I have cover farm. We have cover farm.
in this?
And the village.
The village. Ah.
Sell it. Some on the mainland, some on here, everywhere. Because every night we drink fish.
Yeah.
So yeah. It's after crowding.